Meet Igbo young billionaire who is richer than Emoney, Obi Cubana and Jowizaza. He is a true definition of luxury and a flamboyant lifestyle. His car collection alone is worth over 5 billion naira. He owns 3 Lamborghinis, 2 Ferraris, 2 Rolls Royce, 1 Bentley, 3 G-Wagons and many more. If he steps out for party, he only spreads dollars or bundles of naira. Cubana chief priest once visited his stunning mansion and he was amazed by his rich lifestyle and his expensive car collection. There are levels to this money making. He is the Omo Baba Olowo of Igbo land. He is the next of kin to an Igbo billionaire and a business mogul. His name is Chibuzo Mmadụbọkụ, who is also known as Chico, who will be revealing his expensive and luxurious lifestyle, his net worth, cars, mansion, businesses and many more. And if you are new to this channel, do well to subscribe and click on the notification bell icon so you can be notified whenever we drop new videos. And remember, we only drop interesting, educating and exciting content. Welcome to Chizi Media. Chibuzo Mmadụbọkụ is a Nigerian young billionaire, businessman, entrepreneur and philanthropist. He is the son of renowned Igbo billionaire and business mogul Chief Benson Mmadụbọkụ, the founder of the Chico Group of Companies, a business conglomerate that deals in production, distribution of all kinds of building materials such as stone tiles, rooftops, aluminium, granite, bulletproof doors and many more. He hails from Adaziani in Anyocha local government in Anambra State in the southeastern part of Nigeria. Few weeks ago, Instagram sensation and car influencer Olo of Lagos visited his stunning mansion in Port Harcourt, Rivers State, where he brought out his expensive and luxurious car collection for a car show. The city of Port Harcourt stood still as man like Chico stepped out in grand style with his expensive and luxurious car collection. It was an expensive sight to behold. I swear, money is good. Just like Davido, Jowizaza and DJ Copy, man like Chico source of wealth is, he is the next of kin to an Igbo billionaire and also the managing director to his father's multi-million-dollar business empire. And he has been successfully managing and running the father's business while expanding and growing the family business. Apart from business, the Chico family is well respected and loved in their hometown in Adaziani due to their philanthropic gestures in the community, from building schools to hospitals to giving scholarships, feeding the widows, and also constructing a 12-kilometer road to their community. This massive project was so commendable that Igbo billionaire Chief Cletus Ibeto was invited for the commissioning of this massive project. The Chico owns 2 gigantic mansions worth over 20 billion naira, one in Port Harcourt where they base and the other in their village in Adaziani. The said mansion is said to be sitting on a whopping 20 plots of land. This mansion is a sight to behold, with 5 duplexes sitting on the compound, one for him, his father and each of his siblings. The interior of this stunning mansion will blow your mind. All the furniture in this mansion were all imported from Turkey and they are all gold plated. This stunning mansion has 4 swimming pools, a wine cellar, a conference room, a gym house, a cinema room, 8 bedrooms, 5 sitting rooms, and 8 toilets. In 2019, during his sister's traditional marriage, it was a movie in his hometown in Adaziani, as the occasion was graced by 10 billionaires, which made money rain in the occasion. Flavor Nabania performed, Umwe Bilibo performed, Tonka Mighty performed, and a whole lot of Nigerian celebrities. Man like Chico owns a 2023 Lamborghini Aventador worth over 800 million naira, a Lamborghini Urus worth over 600 million naira, a Ferrari Spider worth over 400 million naira, a 2023 Ferrari worth over 600 million naira, a Rolls-Royce Phantom 2 worth 600 million naira each, a Bentley Bentayga worth over 300 million naira, and many more. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Drop a comment below, tell us what you think about it. Do you really believe that man like Chico is truly richer than Obi Cubana Emoney and Jowizaza? Tell us what you think in the comment section. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.
Take it. Take it.
No be Lamborghini, Abi.
No be. Come on, we need a baby. Come on, man.
We need a wife.
At least a baby girl where my sons go come pull out. my son carrying Maybach in X580 bag. You go blow with Chico daughter go come out.
Happy birthday, boy. Fire down. We're outside, fully outside, bro.
Thank you.